The big story right now, India has crossed 1.5 lakh coronavirus cases with 6,387 new cases in the last 24 hours. Now, 4,337 people have died overall of COVID-19, 170 new deaths in the last 24 hours. That 1.5 lakh figure now needs to be stressed. At the same time, we have to say that 64,426 people have also recovered, and the number of recoveries is up by almost 4,000 in the last one day also. Now, let's take a look at India's COVID graph, as it were, as it hits that psychologically important 1.5 lakh mark. It's still, as you can see, a rising curve in that sense, and the World Health Organization has talked about how we're still in the first wave with cases rising in many countries even now. Maharashtra continues to be the worst affected. It's now the site of a pitched battle politically as well. The centre holding up Maharashtra on various issues. Maharashtra reporting currently over 54,700 cases. Tamil Nadu in second place. Gujarat in third place. Gujarat and Delhi, of course, have been trading places week to week. Delhi is currently in fourth place right now. But perhaps what is worrying at this point is that, there are all those who are arguing that the number of cases has gone up because tests have also increased. States across the country have ramped up their tests. But this is the figure that you need to focus on. India's tests have gone up by 50% since the 1st of May. But in that same period, the number of positive cases has gone up by 160%, and that would indicate that this really is well and truly in community transmission right now. The positivity rate, that is the number of people who test positive per 100 people who are tested, has been going up. It's double of what it was now in the last week of May than it was in the first week of May. If 3.6 people out of every 100 tested were positive in the first week of May, right now 6.3 people who are being tested out of 100 are testing positive.